Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the WordPress. So today we are going to learn how to fetch all the categories related to the custom post type on the single page. So you can see that here we have fetched all the categories related to it. So let's reload it. So something there is miss. There is a die over here. Okay, so save this one, upload this, reload this. So here you can see that we have the categories related to that one, that post. You can go and check this one. So here we have the category section. We haven't saved the another file which is functions.php. So here we have just category part is not writing over here. So I'm going to add the category, right? Save this, uploading, and here it will fetch the new categories. Okay, now the category section is there. I'm going to disable this one and just update it. Go and check the post, and here we have all the categories, test and the test 56. Okay, these two categories we have assigned to this post. Okay, so how we are going to fetch, we are going to learn in this video. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So here the simple lines of code which you have added in the single material.php is categories, get the category. So get the category with the post ID, and here we are just looping with the for each, and here we have to just echo the category name, nothing else. Okay, and you can also remove the break tag for the this part. Save this, and now you can see the where it is. So here we have this one. Okay, so these are the categories, test and test 56. Okay, so this is how we are going to fetch the categories into your WordPress page of the custom post single type. Any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.